Do you want to shout out like Peppa Pig? So hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are wondering why I look like a crackhead right now, that is because, as the title of this video suggests, I had my cousin pick out my makeup. And I'm not sure if she's not a baby, but I don't know if she's like a toddler. She's almost 2. She's gonna be 2 in August, so I don't know where she falls in that timeline, but anyways, so that is why I look crazy. I had her pick out some of the makeup for me to use today, and she didn't pick out every single item in my routine because if you have ever seen a child before, you know that they get kind of fussy and bored after a while, so it's hard to keep them in one place. But I did manage to get her to pick out most of the things that I feel are the most important in a makeup routine. Yeah, you guys are gonna get to see how I use the products that she picked out for me, what she chose, why she chose it. She did give some of her own commentary in this video, as you will see. Yeah, let's just get started and I will show you guys how I got this hot mess. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my eyeshadow first. So let's go ahead and see what she chose for my eyeshadow palette. So now I have 2 eyeshadow palettes. Oh, you like the purple one? Okay, that's Juvia's place. Can you show them?
Bye.
Can you show us? Uh-oh. You like that one? Okay, so I'll use that one. Okay, so for eyeshadow, she ended up picking this bad boy, and this is one of my favorite palettes of all time. The formula is just amazing. The metallics are beautiful, like beautiful. Okay, like KFC, finger licking good. This palette is amazing. So let's go ahead and zoom in and we can start on this eye look. The first color that I'm going to take in my crease is this color right here. It's kind of a dark plummy purple, and it's called Zora. So I'm going to take that on a NYX fluffy brush and just put it in my crease. Kind of feeling like doing a really colorful look today, so let's see how that goes. Okay, I forgot. I actually wanted to put some tape just under my eyes because I really want it to be like super sharp. So let's go ahead and do that. So next I'm going to take a smaller kind of pencil brush. I'm going to take this orange from the palette, it's called Taza, and I'm going to use it to blend out that purple. You know, make it look really soft and fluffy, like a rabbit. And I did not plan this look ahead. I feel like maybe I should have, but it's okay, we'll just go with the flow. And using the same brush, I'm going to take this kind of dark brown. This one is called Fez, and I'm going to take it really low in the crease, almost like halfway down my eyelid. Just looking at the palette, at least to me, I feel like the standout color is this blue right here. This shade is called Berber. So what I want to do is I'm going to try and create an eyeliner with that shadow. So to do that, I'm gonna kind of cut my crease, but not like my whole crease. You'll see. I'm gonna use the Fenty concealer in the shade 330. So let's just hope I don't mess this up. And I'm gonna take a flat brush and kind of create that shape. Okay, I think we did it successfully, but that's because I wasn't breathing the whole time. So to lay down that blue where I applied the concealer, I'm going in with this really tiny brush. This one is from Real Techniques. This is their detailer brush. And I'm going to go into the palette and really get as much color as I can. And I'm going to go ahead and pat it onto that concealer. Alright, so now that her eyes are done, let's see what she chose for primer. Which primer should I use? I have Hourglass and Tarte. Oh, she doesn't want any of them. So should I just not use primer then? Is that what you're saying? Should I not use primer? Okay, then I guess I'm not using primer. Thanks. You guys, This is gonna be hard for me because I guess I'm not using primer, which it's okay, it's okay. We're gonna try and see how it goes. So yeah, I guess no primer. Let's see what she chose for foundation. I'm gonna give you 2 foundations, okay? This is Fenty, this is Smashbox. Oh, you like Fenty? Okay, so I guess I'll be using Fenty. Okay, so for foundation, she chose Fenty Beauty in the shade 345. And the bottle that I used in that clip was actually a bottle of 330, but it's pretty much empty. But I have a sample of 345, so that's what I'm going to use today. So before I start blending, let's see how she wants me to blend my foundation, with a sponge or a brush. Which one should I use? A beauty blender or a brush to blend my foundation? A brush? Okay, you don't like the beauty blender? Is that how you blend your foundation? Alright, so if you know me, usually I mix. I'll go in with a brush first and then use a sponge, but she just said use a brush, so I guess I'm just gonna use a brush. And I learned my lesson with Fenty. Work in sections, okay? Don't just apply everywhere and then blend, because you will end up with a problem. Especially with the Fenty foundation, I like to finish it off with a sponge because it is so matte. I like to really press it into my pores, but I guess we're not doing that. I'm having a little bit of trouble trying to blend this on my cheeks with no primer and also using a brush. It's kind of hard, but we gotta make it work somehow, so let's try. Yeah, I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but you can definitely see it's not a perfect match. But hopefully some hopefully some concealer will save it. Yeah, see, I'm not getting that slide, like that slip, I guess, that I'm used to having when I wear a primer, because right now all I have is some moisturizer that I applied maybe like 3 hours ago. So it's not really moving around as nicely as I would like. Hey, do you like my makeup so far? Do you like it? Can you say yes or no? Oh guys, look what she learned. Hey, can I have a kiss? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Mwah! Oh, okay, fine. Go back. Sorry. So off camera, I quickly applied some color corrector, but let's see what concealer she chose for me to wear. Alright, so she's proven to be a smart woman. She chose the Fenty concealer and I wear the shade 330. So let's go ahead and apply that. I do like this concealer, but usually I mix it with my Too Faced one just to kind of improve the texture. Alright. As you guys saw before, she did choose for me to use a brush for my base, so I'm going to try and blend out all of this with a brush. Usually I don't do that, so this will be interesting. Okay, so to blend out the concealer that is here and under my eyes, I'm gonna try and use this brush. I don't know how it's gonna work. This one is also by Real Techniques. This is their deluxe crease brush. Okay, now I'm really starting to see the like texture in my skin because I'm not wearing a primer and this foundation is like matte, like very matte. I'm seeing a lot of little bumps just peeking out. Okay, I honestly don't know how to blend my concealer with a brush. Because if you guys are like me and you have a lot of lines under your eyes, sponges are just easier to fill them in. So I set my whole face and I also did under my eyes. I pretty much used the same colors that I used in the crease and then I just took the blue right under in the centers. The next step that I normally do is bronze my face. So let's go ahead and see which bronzer she chooses. I have 2 bronzers, okay? I have Fenty and ColourPop. Which one? Oh, you like... You like Fenty? Okay guys, you heard it here first. Babies really like Fenty. So once again, Tasleema did not disappoint. She chose the Fenty bronzer. You guys know, if you haven't seen my last video, I will link it below because I kind of do a mini review on the bronzer, but I have the shade Caramel Cutie and this is what it looks like compared to my skin. So let's go ahead and bronze my face. So now that we are bronze, let's see what she chose for my highlighter. Now I have two highlighters. Okay, Maybelline or Fenty? Which one? Which one do you like? Pick one. Can you pick one? Can you pick one, please? I mean, I saw you put Maybelline in your mouth. Oh, Maybelline. Okay, so Maybelline it is. Thank you. So an oldie but a goodie, she chose the Maybelline Masterchrome. This is what mine looks like. She's been through it, okay? This is in the shade 100 Molten Gold. Honestly, I don't really use this highlighter that much anymore because it kind of sits on the skin a little weird, but it is nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a highlighting brush, just dip into this bad boy, and slap her on my cheeks. You can probably tell on camera this eye turned out a lot more wonky than this one. So I'm just gonna like pose from this side and we can ignore this side. It's like, you know how people have their good eyebrow and their bad eyebrow? This is my good eyebrow, this is my bad eyebrow. This is also the eye where my eyeshadow tends to look better, and on this side it usually tends to look worse. See, right now I wish I was live streaming and I could just ask you guys, but what color from this palette do you guys think I should take in my inner corner? I don't know, I'm kind of stuck between the peach up here, which is called Marrakesh, or this light blue right here, which is called this. I don't know. Or should I take this white? It's called Aziza. I think I'm gonna take the white. Now that my face is pretty much done, let's go ahead and set it with some setting spray. Tasleema, please pick a good one. Okay, now, which one?
No, goodbye.
Which setting spray?
Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me.
I saw you put Urban Decay in your mouth. Do you like that one better? No? You know what? I had hope. I had hope for this look because so far we were doing okay. But then this little girl chose a matte setting spray. This is the Urban Decay D-Slick, okay? There is a time and a place for a matte setting spray. But this is not that time and this is not that place because I'm wearing a matte foundation. I have no primer on. My skin is drier than my DMs right now. But we're still gonna make it more dry. So let's go ahead and spray this. I know I'm gonna regret this, you guys. Okay, so while I curl my eyelashes, let's see what she chose for my mascara. Okay, which mascara should I use? Can you pick one? Can you pick one for me? Oh, she threw Maybelline, so I guess I'm gonna be using Tarte. Can you let me speak, ma'am? This is my channel? This is my channel. Okay, so I'm gonna Can I speak? Can I speak? Okay, so I'm gonna be using Tasleema. Alright, so for mascara, she chose this one by Tarte. This is their Man Eater mascara. I haven't been using this recently in videos because it's almost empty. Like, I have to scrape it to get product out. Even though the wand is huge, the formula is so good, and just the way it makes your lashes look, beautiful. So let's go ahead and apply some of that. Okay guys, we are almost done. Last step is let's see what she chose for me to put on my lips. I have 4 lipsticks. Which one do you like? Can you pick one? Which one? Which one? Okay, so you picked those 2. So that's Fenty and Maybelline. Can you pick one? Can you pick one? Tasleema. Oh, Fenty. Okay, she picked Fenty. This baby really likes Fenty, you guys. I don't know what else to say. Can you tell me why you chose Fenty? She chose Uncuffed by Fenty Beauty. Now I love this color, but personally, I would not wear it with an eye look like this, but we're going all out. So let's see what it looks like. Okay guys, so now that lipstick is on, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Let me take a quick look. Honestly, I don't think it's bad, but I'm just not used to my skin being so like matte, like super matte. I think it was kind of fun to try it out, but it's not for me. But yeah, like I said a few times, because I'm not wearing any primer, I feel like I'm seeing a lot of the texture in my skin just like popping out, getting ready to fight. But other than that, I don't think it's terrible. It's workable from a distance. Like if you're 10 feet away, it doesn't look that bad. But why don't we get Tasleema in here and get some of her final thoughts? Do you like my makeup? No? No, she wants to just see her iPad. Okay, go. Well, anyways, there you have it. So this is what happens when you let a toddler pick your makeup. It was kind of fun to not have to make those choices myself. With that, that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
Bye! Goodbye!
Bye! No, not in your mouth, not in your mouth. No. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, you can have it, but don't put it in your mouth. It's not a snack. Okay, so... Girl! What? Stop! What is that demon sound? No, stay.
No.
No, stay.